Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I will be showing you how to make food flyers on Canva. The first thing you want to do is tap on the search bar. From here, you're going to type in food flyers. So let's do that real quick. Then you'll tap on enter. After doing that, you'll be redirected to the templates page. And from here, you can see numerous templates that you can choose from. So given the type of template that you like or the type of flyer that you have in mind, you can see different options that you can choose from right here, and they are all completely free except the ones that you see with the crown. For those, you'll need to be a paid subscriber on Canva to use those templates. But let's say, for example, we would like to use this one. All we'll need to do is simply tap on the template that we want to use. Then you can scroll down and you can also see similar templates that are suggested right here. All you'll need to do now is tap on customize this template. After selecting customize this template, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you can simply add the photos that you want of your items. So for example, you could tap on uploads from the left hand menu option, and from there you could upload the images of the items that you would like to display, or I'll use some copyright free images. So I'll select elements, and then from there I'll type in dishes just for example's sake. After doing that, so I don't see it right here, so let me type in meal so you can see them right here. Then we'll select photos. After doing that, all you'll need to do now, you'll simply drag and place the images that you want to use. So I can replace that image. I'll replace that image also. And then you can add another image, and it is as simple as that. You can replace all the images. If you would like to change the background color, you can do that by simply selecting the entire page. Then from there, you can tap on the color box from the top menu option. Then if you would like to change the color, for example, to this shade of green, you can do that. Or you can scroll down and select a color of your liking, as you can see right there. There are numerous options you can choose from. Once you have found a color that you like, you can also edit the text. So you could tap on the text and you could make changes if you want. So let's say instead of it being Mexican, I want it to say healthy. You can see it right there. You can also change the font style by tapping on Cocoa Gothic, and from there you could change the font style to whatever you want. After you have done this, as you can see here, you can tap in this section also, and you could edit the text. You can pull along the slider at the bottom of the page. You can pull it to the right, and from there it will increase the zoom so you can see it even better. And right here you could edit the text, so you could add in your address. And you can also increase the font size by tapping where you see 16 on my screen. So let's say, for example, we'll increase it to 21. Then you can pull along the slider right here, so it keeps that there. Then you could add in your own email address, and we're also going to carry this to 18, as you can see right there. Now once everything is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap on share in the top right hand corner, then scroll down, tap on download, and from there you'll tap on download once more, and you'll now have your food flyer. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.